Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how can hard reset this device. First of all, we have to open the settings. Next, click on the settings icon and then scroll down all the way down. To perform the reset, click on this button. Right now we can confirm, and if you want to stay with the files that you have on your SD card, you have to remove it, because everything will be removed. The data from your camera and also from the SD card. To confirm the reset, just click on the green button. And right now we have to wait a little bit. I think it's time to clean the screen, because we can find here some fingerprints. And as you can see right now, we simply performed the reset of this device. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.